Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
Okay, here on Cyrus Says, another big issue, a pal of mine. Unfortunately, we went to the urinal together. That's not the unfortunate part, but we did go together. And after a few drinks, more his drinks than mine, and I had a zip, and he had the button thing, the button fly, and there was like 5 buttons involved. Cut a long story short, 1 button, 2 button, 3 button, he reached the 4th. And then he couldn't hold it anymore, and because, you know, your motor skills get diluted when you're drunk and all that. My point is, do we need to use these button flies? They're very dangerous, and they're causing trouble across the world. Let's go back to zips. Zips are easy, even if you're drunk, or you're old, or you've got some sort of Alzheimer's coming up. It doesn't take long to get to the zip and somehow, figure your way through it. But 5 buttons is a challenge when you're incapacitated. Think about this clearly. Ladies and gentlemen, especially the men, please go back to the fly. It's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus says.
All right, let's welcome our guest on Cyrus Says, Malika. A name, let me tell you, Malika, and you must have heard this a lot. Because in Parsi, Cyrus is a very common name, let me tell you. But Malika also is a common name in many cultures. And the problem with that is I know 9 Malikas. I was thinking about it on my way here.
Really?
9, and now you are 10.
Oh shit.
After 45 minutes of our conversation, I will know 10.
Right.
Unless you decide not to speak to me in public ever again, which is also possible.
That might be the case, but I mean, for now, for the next 45 minutes, you'll know 10.
I'll have 10 for 45 minutes. God, she's good at maths. Not only a comedian, but good at numbers. I'm in trouble. Malika, I'm going to start with just introducing you. It says here in your biodata that you are an excellent young woman, extremely popular on all social media platforms. A trained actor, you've come from Franklin and Marshall. I had friends.
Really?
Franklin Marshall College. But let me tell you.
Wait, I didn't know
I was
this.
born in 1971 when Bangladesh was created. You're already laughing. Let me tell you that. Secondly, let me tell you that I went to college in early 90s.
Yeah.
Okay? And my pals who were in Franklin Marshall were in Franklin Marshall in early 90s. And by 93, 94, they were all finished.
Wait, oh wow.
So-
That's like almost 20 years before I graduated.
20 years before you graduated, I had people who looked like us in Franklin and bloody Marshall.
Oh,
So uska
shit.
kuch matlab nahi hai aaj. But let's quickly mention that you're Vinod Dua's daughter. And why I want to mention that is a time, Vinod Dua comes from a time when everybody knew who Vinod Dua was, because there were few journalists who were well known and made a name for themselves, like Pranay Roy, Vinod Dua, etc. But unfortunately now I think everybody's a journalist and everybody's a comedian. It's damn tough for us.
It's very tough.
So Vinod Dua was very lucky in many
Yeah,
ways.
he was very lucky. He
Please
was
tell
like,
him.
Like people had I think there were there's one television per 5
Absolutely.
houses.
Yeah.
And so, the
And they're
visibility.
household names, at least up to my generation,
Yeah.
everybody knows who
And
these
look
guys
at their
are.
career graph. Here we have
And survived.
Exactly, like
Unbelievable.
40 years or
A lot of
whatever.
pressure on you.
Nah.
But then you've gone a different way. You're not going to be the investigative journalist who's opening pores of society
Exactly.
and looking with your light.
No, I will contribute zilch to society. I will just serve myself. I
Acha, you're taking the pressure off completely, but I know that's not what's going to happen. You'll have to at some point wear your father's shoes, as they say.
no.
Why daughters wear father's shoes? I don't know.
I
in us-
really don't get
in our
it.
culture. It's wrong. Especially when they left outside a mandir.
And a watch
It may
bol
not be
do,
your
chain
father's
bol
shoes,
do,
somebody else's.
earrings bol do. My dad to has earrings, so I'm going to wear
Your dad
his
is wearing earrings.
Yeah, he has his
I'm trying to
earlobes
promote your
are pierced.
father as a legendary Vinod Dua.
Arey, he looks damn cool. My Dadaji or great Dadaji used to wear them, so then he also got it done. He looks very regal now.
Vinod Dua is wearing earrings and coming on air.
Arey, he has 2 little studs, like Raj.
That's your brother's, but what about
No, I
yours?
don't have a brother.
You're telling me Vinod Dua has earrings.
Yeah, dude, for the last 10, 12 years.
You're taking
15
this
years.
comedy too seriously.
Isn't
You leave
he
Vinod Dua alone. He's an
Arey,
institution
yaar,
and icon.
you
You
need
leave
to
him
rise
alone.
up.
He may be your father, but he's also a very important name for India. We need him to have his respect
Arey,
in his
I'm
position.
telling you. Now, next time Kunal Vijayakar does Vinod Dua, he needs to wear earrings.
Yeah, you've seen that.
Authentic
I
hoga
apologize.
wo.
I apologize.
No,
Vinod, I
it's lovely.
apologize.
We love it.
Remember, we would have better actors do these impressions, but we have only this much budget and 4 people.
Next time you can get me to do it.
Oh, we will.
Yeah.
Actually,
Mujhe
because,
laga ke I look
you do-
exactly like him.
Well, yeah, there is a resemblance, so I think that would work actually.
It would really work.
But can he then start wearing the earrings on his broadcast so that it makes sense when you come back
Arey,
on?
he wears them.
He doesn't wear them.
100. He has
Okay, if
5
you're listening to
pairs.
our show,
One
Malika is Vinod
diamond,
Dua's daughter.
one ruby.
Go online right now, find Vinod Dua, check different appearances of his in the last month or so, and tell me if he's wearing earrings and you will
He
win
wears 2 little diamond studs.
prize.
For sure.
in 1 year or both.
Both.
My God, amazing.
Yeah.
This is by choice, huh?
Yeah, he pulls it off,
He
man.
watched your performance and said, आज से मुझे ये पहनना
सिर्फ
चाहूँगा.
मेरी बेटी थोड़ी funny होगी, मुझे भी कुछ करना है.
Okay, listen. Now let's leave your dad out of this. This is your story and how you're going to become famous. Already on your way to becoming famous. Apparently an internet sensation as we speak. We also heard there was a bit of a twist in the story. You were trained in Hindustani classical singer.
Why do you know
singing.
this?
Because, I mean, how many comedians? You might be unique. You might be the only comedian worldwide who is a Hindustani classical trained vocalist.
No, there are many, yeah.
Are you saying that MS Subbulakshmi's best friends are all comedians? What are you trying to say?
No, I'm saying that a lot of comedians might also be singers, is what I'm saying.
Who's a good singer?
Kenny.
Who's Kenny?
Kenny Sebastian.
He's a good singer?
Yeah.
Classical?
No,
Carnatic vocals?
I saw some set where he imitated Arijit Singh, so in that imitation only
Arijit Singh himself we have to worry about. Why we were able to sing capability of someone pretending to be Arijit Singh?
No, he wasn't pretending. He was just singing with the guitar.
But he does have the same hair. This is Kenny with the long hair, no?
Now it's short, yeah.
What?
The world has changed. You don't know
He's
people are
already
wearing.
middle-aged.
You
He's
don't
already
know people are
middle-aged.
cutting their
The young
hair.
comedian the other day and now there's no hair left.
No, it's just too much, yeah.
Okay, I'm so sorry. You were saying, yes, the world has changed. Okay, but let's cut back to that Hindustan classical thing for a minute. So that was growing up in Vinod Dua's household. He didn't know his daughter was going to be a comedian. So at that point, this was just the sort of thing that you did?
So my parents sing. Okay, they sing really well. They
is that
met.
so?
They met because of their singing. My dad used to have a show on DD, and DD used to have people to come to sing or dance or do something weird. And then my mother was a part of some choir, and she came.
She was interviewed by your dad on his show.
She wasn't interviewed. She was a part of a choir that came to sing at the end of the show or something.
Rascal?
Yeah.
He kept
It's
his
the
eye on the whole
creepiest
choir.
story on earth. They met and got married in 15 days. It's a love marriage. It's really creepy. And it's a two-states marriage.
And baki ka choir log.
Unka nahi laga number. My mother beat them to it.
My
ऐसा क्या
God.
हुआ?
I must say, Vinod was quick.
He's very quick, yeah.
15 days they got married.
Yeah,
This is not
they
funny, this is
met
true.
and got married.
Oof.
Yeah.
Amazing. So both are trained singers. You're also a trained
So
singer.
no, Dad is not a trained singer actually. He sings apne aap.
He sings in the bus and other places.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Exactly.
And but you were a trained singer.
Yeah. I mean,
Please, can you? Please.
no, my
Well, it
throat
sounds like
is
I'm lying.
horrible.
It sounds like we're making fun and just joking and all that.
What do I sing?
No, matlab, just if you sing, see, if you're a trained classical vocalist, Hindustani or otherwise, people will be able to tell
I sing
within.
one line for you.
Yeah, just sing properly. I'm saying don't do acting.
Krishna ni bedane baro Krishna ni bedane baro. That's it.
Wow, that's pretty good. That's not bad at all.
Bad throat, Bombay fungus.
And not only that, it's also the week we're recording is Krishna's birth week.
Yeah,
So
that's
pretty good
why.
timing as well, I would say. Yeah.
See what I
Okay.
did there?
Excellent. So here's the good news. You can always sing.
Yeah.
If there's no work coming in comedy, you can
Gana
always
to
sing.
ga hi
Us
sakte
comedians,
hain.
let me tell you, we have no other job. We really suffer. I hope your dad had the talk. He's had the talk, no? About how difficult.
He always, every day he has the talk with me. Yeah.
समझता नहीं कोई. Nobody does
He's
this.
like, what is the plan B? I said, plan A तो करने दो ठीक से. What is plan
What is
B?
plan A?
I don't even know.
You don't have a plan A.
I don't have a plan A. I'm just
So every
winging
time he
it.
says, what is plan B? You say, I don't have plan A.
I don't have plan A. Papa.
Has your dad started drinking? What's happening
Yeah,
here?
I think he's just doing that.
Okay, come on. Now let's talk about this whole. Firstly, I just on a serious note for a second. What I can't understand is you come from again for me your dad again being a big name and all that. You never thought that you'd go in that direction in terms of.
I did when I was a kid.
I'm sure the house was filled with conversations about politics, society.
No, actually
what's
not,
happening,
you know.
art.
Art, yes, but the thing is, we just make fun of everybody. There was always more comedy in our house than anything else. Like,
Really?
Yeah. There's always been comedy. Like we grew up watching, say, Andaz Apna Apna, You, Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, whatever. Like,
Put me with Andaz Apna Apna and
nahi,
Jaane Bhi Do
matlab,
Yaro
you know
was a
that
very-
era, that time.
Okay, age. You're just aging
No,
me.
I'm
Fine.
not aging you. I'm saying you're evergreen. Yeah.
Ah, so
yeah.
sweet.
So we always had more comedy in our house than anything else. Like, Papa's
Is your dad
job.
funny?
He's extremely funny. He's the funniest in our house.
Yeah?
We all get our sense of humor or irreverence or whatever from him. And so that there was always that in our house.
You think if
and-
Vinod Dua was born in this generation, I'm saying your dad now,
Huh.
you think he would have been more satirist and that sort of...
he would have been very John Oliver, I think.
He would have gone in that
Yeah.
direction.
Maybe. I don't know.
Is your Hindi as good as his?
Yeah. I mean, no, not as good as his, but
But good enough.
Good enough,
And in
yeah,
Bombay, definitely good enough.
oh yeah. Very
In Franklin and Marshall, the best.
kick ass, like kick ass.
As we
yeah.
say in Hindi, kick ass.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get back, Malika. Let's not make the show about your dad. Let's talk about you.
You're just doing that
I know.
over and over.
That's only because I'm an old man. See, anybody else
fine.
interview you, they wouldn't know him properly. It would be different.
Yeah.
Here, what happens is our generation, big name, problem. Okay, so now, how did the comedy bug happen? Okay, you did say your dad has that whole comic bent, and so
Yeah,
that was there.
completely.
But that's amateur in the sense that you're not thinking of being a
Professional, no, never. Even
in
now,
your
I
career
don't.
was.
I don't think I'm a comedian in that sense. I have just started out, and this is the first thing that got noticed or whatever. So, but I actually like to do
What do
all
you train
kinds
to
of
from Franklin and Marshall?
theater. So there was all kinds of acting. There was acting for the camera. There was acting for the stage. There was, you have your Shakespeare, you have your Commedia dell'arte, you have whatever. And then when I would come back home for the summer,
Were you writing there? Were you writing pieces for
Yeah,
yourself?
yeah.
You were. You already started doing that.
So
Okay.
it was very writing intensive in general. Like even if you're studying, say, biology, they will make you write.
I think
Like,
it's
they're
great
obsessed.
if Indian guys from middle class and upper middle class go to a place like America,
Yeah.
get thrown in where nobody knows your name, and have
Exactly.
to fend for yourself, even for a few
Seriously,
months.
it's amazing.
It really teaches you confidence.
Nobody gives a shit like
and
who
you
you
learn,
are.
you learn how important it is to change underwear, for
Yeah.
example.
Oh my god, yes.
Because do you find foreigners don't change underwear? Did you room with people?
Yeah. So I had a really bad roommate experience the first year
bolo,
that
bolo,
I went
bolo.
there. Like ek pagal ladki became my roommate, and then I think I was with her for like 1.5 to 2 months, and then we had this huge fallout. And then on Halloween, I remember I had this chudel makeup on, okay, and we had a fight, and I was howling, so the makeup like just intensified.
Wow.
And I just remember that visual.
Ramsey
very
Brothers
clearly.
production.
Yes,
Yeah.
it really was. And then I got my roommate changed, and I lived with this Chinese girl who was really sweet.
The other one was Indian?
No, she was from Philadelphia.
An American.
She's an African American.
Okay, now let's not get race into it. American is good enough. What's
I'm
wrong?
just
Vinod, what
telling
is
you.
wrong with your daughter? I know, coming from
I'm
your
just telling
background,
you
she'd be
what
a
she
nice, secular,
was.
liberal
You
human
asked
being.
for the details.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So then with the Chinese girl, everything worked out.
Everything worked out because we had the same hours. She would be up till 5 studying. I'd be up till 5 doing nothing. So it was pretty cool.
Nice,
Yeah.
nicely done. The hardworking Asians.
Yeah,
Or so
exactly.
we like to portray ourselves. So, sorry to cut you. So in Franklin, let's go back. Let's start in the beginning. I think Franklin Marshall comes in the middle. So you're in the household of Vinod
Yeah.
Dua. You're getting all this kind of education.
Yeah.
And, it's let's say it's an enlightened household. When is the comedy thing for you a serious thing?
Serious as in, when I was in college, I would come back for the summer and I would do these plays. Okay, there were a bunch
As an
of
actress?
us. Yeah, as an actress. And there was a bunch of us. We were all studying abroad, so we all had those 3.5 months, and we would put a production together. And there I first started doing comedy, and my director would say, you rewrite the lines the way you want. You do whatever you
Super.
want. So I would just go
So
all
Malika
out.
was known even then to be a bit of a, people knew
yeah.
that you had this side to you.
Completely. Like in the Delhi theatre circuit, people knew. Everybody knew. Like, but that's such a limited circuit,
So
right?
what was the first thing you did?
The
A
first
professional
thing-
piece where people came and paid money and saw you?
Professional comedy piece was a play called Boeing.
Yeah. We've all done it. With the
so
two air hostesses and the guy.
The 3 air hostesses.
They,
So
they're
it
still
was-
doing that play. From
Yeah,
the
I
70s,
know.
they're doing that play and changing the
Exactly.
name.
No, but they adapted it very
I've
beautifully.
adapted it twice myself.
Oh, so they adapted
You
it
adapted
very
my
nice.
adaptation. You know what you've done?
Garam Masala also did it, yeah.
What do you think Garam Masala is?
Yeah. No, so this play was called Fasten Your Seatbelt.
Wow. Hold for laughter, yaar.
So I was an air hostess with Jet Airways.
Oh, God,
Yeah,
come
it's okay,
on.
man. We're all learning
Malika,
here. It's
Franklin
fine.
and Marshall, your dad spent money. What the hell?
I like this na
Okay.
thoda
So Jet
rustic
Airways, I'm
touch
all for it. I
hona
love this kind of
chahiye,
comedy
yeah.
then.
So it was really nice.
The flying jet actually is you.
Oh my
with
God.
the first.
It's actually me, yeah.
Yeah.
So that was the first one I did, and
You
know,
wrote the lines?
I
You
rewrote
lines?
the lines, some of
But
them.
this is a proper script, so you have to follow the script. You just change
Yeah,
the,
exactly.
you
The
stay with
punches
what's-
changed, because it's
references and
adapted,
things like that.
so it's so much fun.
Yeah.
You can do whatever you want with it. And this I would do every year, So one time it's some other character, then it's someone else, and I think I did like about 5-6 of these. And by that time I graduated college. And when I came back, I was so jaded. I was like, what the hell is going on? I don't know what to do. And so my dad just said, why don't you try doing, try your hand at media or see if you like it or whatever. So I did this little course at NDTV. That didn't work out. I didn't
I
like
wonder
it.
how you got that gig. Yeah.
It's a paid gig.
Go on,
It's a
tell us.
course.
You have to pay money.
Yes. to
What's wrong with
attend it.
NDTV? Stealing money from our people. When you do
yeah,
course.
of course. A lot of people paid. Like it was like some 2-3 lakhs to attend.
So that means you didn't really believe in the comedy thing making money for you.
No, not at all. I didn't believe in it till like few months ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oops, I still don't believe in it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do my LLB. I need a year off now.
So yeah, that's what. So I tried doing that. I didn't like it. I was like, no, chodo ye wo. I started doing plays again. I was just chilling 1 year, not doing much with my life. I said, that's it. I've had it now. So then I took up a job in advertising. I joined as an intern and then a trainee, and then I got hired as a copywriter.
Where?
So I started
McCann
Erickson. I started.
That's a pretty big agency.
Yeah, it was awesome, and that was the best decision I made because I learned so much there. Like all the thing that you have 30 seconds to say what you want and hasana hai, rulana hai, jo bhi karna hai, you have to do it in that time.
And mention
frame.
the client.
Yes, and mention the client 5 times over. Yes. So
and you know how to drink in advertising.
Exactly.
At least in my
no,
time.
I learned I think in college or a little before.
This is Delhi. Delhi's always ahead of us, yaar. What can I tell you?
Jerry Coke.
But
We
my
have
best,
Jerry
my
Coke
1 year
in
in
Delhi.
advertising was all about Friday night drinking.
Yeah. Advertising was drinking every night, no? Especially now because all
But
the
Friday night
agencies
the
and
juniors were
Gurgaon.
allowed out. No, the thing is they would take everyone. The trainee copywriter किसको बुलाएगा ना?
नहीं होता है अब because all the agencies are in Gurgaon and Gurgaon has got cheap daru, so everyone like
Because Haryana's prohibition.
yes, exactly. So everyone just drinks all the time.
Fair enough.
Yeah, drinks or
More than drinks. We can
Yeah.
mention it. It's a podcast.
smokes up.
You're Franklin and Marshall. You guys do all this.
Yeah, we do
I'm
these
St.
fancy-
I'm St. Xavier's College.
I'm very organic, so I do
Yeah,
all this shit.
fair.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people who believe it's less harmful. So
It is.
Yeah.
No,
But I
it's-
don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
Now I need to talk to your father once again. I think. He and I need to have a conversation. I'm a generation between him and you. Let me try and bridge it.
Hak banta hai.
Yeah.
Go
Okay,
for
now
it.
let's get back to your life again.
Okay.
So you're doing all this.
Yeah.
You've got a job in advertising. Then Malika moves on to doing stand-up.
No. So while I was in advertising, I was doing all these things. Like my boss is very chill, I said I want to do a play. I will leave at 6. So she's like, okay, cool. But the thing was, I was very hardworking also. I would finish my work, or I would finish it after rehearsal or whatever. So I always
They
kept
allowed you that flexibility, which you needed.
yeah, and I always kept in touch. Like, I was like, kuch na kuch to karna hai. Like I would get a call for an ad, I would do it. I would get something else like events and plays. I would do everything.
But they weren't being
And-
nice to you because you're your father's daughter.
No, they didn't give a shit. Nobody gives a shit. Like they would yell at me when they had to.
Because
what
of
world
your
you live in?
father.
No, like,
You're
but
holding a grudge about some interview 20 years ago.
no, but like you
No, but
establish
Delhi is full
someone's
of influence and all. Come
yeah,
on.
but Delhi is also normal.
Bombay,
yeah.
actually, yeah.
Exactly, and like Delhi में बहुत सारे लोग हैं. You have politicians, you have this, that. Like it doesn't work
Yeah, but
beyond
today
a
the
point.
journalists are holding a much stronger position in terms of
Yeah, but
who
he's
they
not
are.
that kind of journalist who
Yeah, but
like.
they perceive him to be,
Yeah.
because he's a name. So they will,
Yeah, but
they will
like
not try
they
to take
also
panga
know he
with his
doesn't
daughter.
make trouble, and he's not that kind of a person. He's
Not if you bother his daughter. People change. Anything else maybe.
But bother kya professionally if I'm not doing my job?
She needs to go to Riyaz at 6 o'clock.
No, if I'm not doing my job, then I deserve
And he's
to be
waiting down
whacked
to
for
fetch
it.
you. Which is
No.
possibly the case sometimes.
What do you think?
Okay,
no.
I'm just kidding. Listen,
no, my driver bhaiya waits niche.
driver bhaiya, what kind of
Yeah.
struggle is this? We're talking to comedians outside. This is before she became a comedian, she had a driver. So comedy ke baad kya
in
hota hai? You have a
Delhi
plane, you
people
have a
have
plane.
drivers. No, because
Are you
it's-
working with Kingfisher? What's
no.
going on here?
In Delhi, people like sometimes have drivers, especially if you live as far as I live.
Yeah.
Then that's what happens.
In Mumbai, we are the drivers and we have no idea what it's come down to. Recession has hit all of us.
Yeah.
You might find me standing outside a black and yellow cab soon.
Oh, nice.
Yes. I did that for a long time actually. Now
Actually?
we have to go back. I'll tell you what, let's take a quick break. When we
Yeah.
come back, the whole internet success and
Yeah,
how
we'll
you suddenly
get
became a
to that.
household name, and I want to get into all that,
Okay.
all right? But let's just leave everybody with the fact that at the moment you're working in advertising.
No, I'm not. At the moment, as in, yes.
At the moment in the
that-
interview, pay
yes.
attention, Miss
Sorry,
Dua.
I'm really sorry.
Hanji.
Yeah.
We'll take a break and come back.
Okay.
Did you know that some termites in Africa have a pleasantly minty flavor?
Did you know that India's largest music festival was in a way conceptualized in Estonia?
Did you know that the awesomest chips in the world are found only inside US prisons?
Hello, I'm Chuck,
I'm Sriket.
And I'm Naren.
and together we are
Simplified.
a podcast that helps you appear smarter to an audience that knows no different.
Or give you some stuff to talk about at parties.
We are ultra crepidarians.
And if you don't know what that means,
Then tune into Simplified with a B on iTunes, Audio Boom, or your favorite podcasting app. Episodes out every fortnight.
All right, and let's go right back into it. We took a break, which our break is like Indian men. In just a few seconds, and we're back immediately. And Malika's laughing. What do you know about Indian men? You're at American college and all that. Fancy?
I know everything. Yeah.
Ah, so you're a boyfriend
All
there?
kinds of men. Yeah, like several.
Several boyfriends at the same time. Franklin and Marshall.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you have
No.
an American boyfriend, like a
No,
non-Indian?
no.
You're a desi boy.
No, I never had a boy.
Pakistani boy?
I had like friends.
You had males who were friends. What is this? Walking dogs? What are you talking here?
No, I had like, there's a line between boyfriend and friend. I had those. Yeah.
No, please tell me, what is this line? See, I've had only 2 relationships with
called
women.
friends with
Either I'm
benefits.
seeing them and we have physical relations, or we don't have. So what is your what is this
It's
middle
like
line?
you eat pizza and then you have fun also.
You eat pizza and then you have fun.
Yeah.
For me, that would be I don't pay for the pizza. That's the fun part.
No,
but
no, I am very particular. I pay. I think that's what scares a lot of
वो
boys
बीच
off.
वाला line कौन सा है? Exactly, I didn't get it.
Yeah, वो होता है.
No, so-
Line को line ही रहने दो.
1 second, come on. So there's like boyfriend.
Yeah.
There's like friend. Okay,
Yeah.
let's first understand friend.
Yeah.
Friend is a person you don't have any relationship with
Yeah, yeah.
at all more than
Yeah.
just hello, bye,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Then there's boyfriend where you're together all the time
Yeah.
and
And you're
having
committed
physical
or
relations and
whatever.
all that.
Yeah.
Now, what is in the middle?
Where you're chilling and you're just
What's
chilling.
like a cardboard cutout? Who's the guy in the middle? I need definition.
It's a guy who's like a boyfriend, but you don't like him
So
enough to say that he's your boyfriend.
Oh, so you can have relations with him, but
Yeah, he's like a friend
not official.
zone guy, but not.
you can't take him back home and say, "Ye mera boyfriend hai."
College में तो I can take anyone back home. कोई है ही नहीं वहाँ पे.
That's not home, but
Yeah.
anyway, if that was home, then you're a teacher, which is another concept altogether.
Yeah,
Huh.
I could be one.
So you didn't have a boyfriend in that sense, but you had a lot of relations with and had a good time. Is that what
Yes,
you're trying to
I had
say?
a lot of illicit relationship.
Thanks for saying
Yeah,
it.
I'm a woman of loose character.
I love loose character. You're in the right place.
Yes.
Okay, now loose character.
Yeah.
Let's get back to the comedy.
Okay.
So then, when this you were just fooling around? When did this internet? Let's actually talk about the 2 things that are very popular apparently, and this is done by our research department, who all know you very well because this is the generation that watches internet. Me and the person who records this are a little
You
old
watch
and
the
can't see
news.
small screens. No, we have to see your dad only. So that's why my references are more about him. So you wrote and featured in Shit People Say in Sarojini Nagar,
Yeah.
which I think now comedy is really seems to be really blossoming in the
Yeah.
sense that people are hitting the local notes properly,
For sure.
telling you about how the Jewish American experience was written by so many people in the 60s
Yeah.
and 70s or all around the world. For the first time, I'm seeing that happen.
Yeah.
So tell us about this whole Sarojini Nagar character and.
So this happened by chance. Like, there's this now app and like this thing called Little Black Book. Okay, so they do like.
She's talking to me like I'm 7 now.
No, yaar.
बेटा तो एक black book है उसमें ये होता
No,
है.
it's like a Delhi-based thing, so I thought
Yeah.
I'll just specify.
Stop getting this Bombay Delhi fight out in public all the time.
Okay,
I
fine.
made my peace. I like Delhi more. No,
है ना?
come on.
I have
Huh.
a driver bhaiya.
I don't know why people in Bombay always have a
Hate
problem
Delhi
with
people. I know, we're so nice.
Forget that. What is so bad with Delhi? As if Bombay is so great.
It's so green, so beautiful.
It's
Thand-
big.
And ठंड पड़ती है वहाँ
You
पे.
don't have to touch someone when you walk on the road.
Yeah, I mean, they
unless you're
might
molesting.
touch you. Yeah, but like,
but
yeah.
here you touch without molesting.
Exactly.
You don't even know if you're being
And
molested.
like armpits and all, we don't have that
Armpits?
shit.
We share.
हाँ,
Why do you think the deodorant ads don't work in Bombay? Because you don't need one
Yeah.
armpit with 20 people.
चलता है.
हाँ,
ऐसे
sorry.
है. हाँ, so now this friend of mine who worked at LVB asked me to do a video for them, saying that why don't you tell our viewers where to score what discounts from in this market. So I was like, no, let's not do this. That's like very generic, no? Ki idhar ye milta hai, udhar, very lifestyle channel. I said, let's do something else where, we show the various elements that you find here, because people think that Delhi is very hi-fi and very gawar at the same time. I was like, yeah, well, that may be true, but at this one market, everyone will shop. Like, you can be a really foo-foo girl, you can be like someone else, we'll find you there. So then we said, okay, cool, let's do this, whatever. And then I wrote it, and then we shot it in like 4 hours or something. Like, I had this huge suitcase full of clothes. I styled the video. So that we were just roaming around, sneaking into shops, changing this and that. And so it was a really good shoot. And it was edited really nicely. I got lucky that way. And yeah, and then it came out, and BuzzFeed picked it up, sabse pehle, I remember, off Twitter. And once they picked it up, then everybody picked it up, and yeah, that
So
was
can you
that.
give us a little thing into that character?
So there were 7 characters. So there was one, with this really foo-foo Delhi girl who begins by sneezing. She's like, Ach! She's like, babe, do you have an Allegra? Why the do we come here, man? Why do we shop here? Never shop here. And then she sees the bhaiya. She goes, Ghanshyam bhaiya, kaise hain aap? Mera Balmain ka jacket mangwaya hai aapne? And basically, she comes into her element or whatever. Then there's this one client, like an FMCG client, like the kinds you met in advertising, who's very proper and who's just like कि नहीं ये collection आपके TG के साथ नहीं जा रहा है, कुछ अलग दिखाइए, मतलब very different, like a white shirt or something, And then you have this ball breaker who's just like ज़्यादा ही जाड़ा लग रहा है तुझे, हाँ, shut up or whatever. She's just, and then there's this coy newlywed woman who's like, lingri nahi longri hota hai, long, just like you. And very like, yeah, horny basically. And then what? Then there's this kid.
She's talking to her boyfriend.
No, husband.
Husband.
Yeah, she's wearing leather jacket with chuda and like Mangal Sutra.
And correcting his English.
Yeah, she's very much nice. And uske baad then there's this kid who's come with her mama and she's like, Bhaiya, excuse me, Bhaiya, so कोई सुन ही नहीं रहा है उसकी बात. And nobody gives a shit. She's standing there. And then she goes, Mama! And then she, breaks down. And then you have, or bhi, I think ek do the, I can't remember now. But yeah, we had all. And then there's a habitual Delhi hater from Bombay who says shit like, hey boss, ganji dikhao na. And she's telling her friend, what, yaar, Delhi sucks, yaar. There's too much variety here. So green, yaar, roads are so big. And like that. So sare se, all these girls are there. And then basically, Sarojini. So what people liked was, I think, the multiplicity.
I think what people like is the identification
yes,
of all these characters, which you've grown up seeing and observing,
Yeah.
and it's coming out in a very authentic
And
way.
it was short, it was 3 minutes, so it wasn't like we didn't overfeed the people.
You can't.
Khatam ho gaya
Because
wo.
we don't have the brain span left, I think.
Yeah, and it's good. Comedy jitna chota utna acha hai.
Yeah. But don't make those vulgar gestures. But yes, I know what you're saying. I understand. But no, coming back to, so I think you've hit the spot with that one completely. And this Bombay Delhi thing, to take it a little further, is hilarious. Those of us who go to both cities, actually there's no need
There's
for
no
anyone to even
need
think
at
in this
all.
way. There's no
I
connection.
had such a hard time in college
Yeah.
because my college, Franklin and Marshall, was full of Bombay kids, okay? And apart from the two...
Dali girl has come.
Yeah, apart from the two bestest friends I made who were from Bombay, everyone else was just so judgmental about Delhi.
Yeah.
It was so weird and
Still
I
don't
never
understand
understood.
that.
Yeah.
And most of them never go to Delhi, have gone once and have some strange experience
Also,
with
you
their
can't
cousins.
hate us because we have gardens and balconies.
And if you live in
in
Panchil Park with your cousins for 2 weeks, you don't really have the Delhi experience. You can't just go there and come back and say,
Exactly.
oh God, it's damn
It
boring.
sucks,
Yeah.
yeah.
Nothing in Delhi, it's too slow, nothing happens.
Yeah.
I don't understand
It's
that.
fine. It's chill.
And the other thing, everybody has influence.
Yeah.
Which I've never understood, because everybody has influence in India everywhere.
Exactly.
If you don't have influence, you're
you
finished.
need to know someone to
Yeah,
get something
yeah.
done. Like, अच्छा तुझे फेविक्विक मंगानी है, मैं एक बंदे को जानता हूँ, अभी डिलीवर करेगा वो 10 मिनट में. Like it's like that.
Okay, let's go to the next character. Why should hot girls have... this was a TVF show, actually.
Yeah, this was a TVF
So is this
video.
your writing, or is this...
No, this is TVF in-house.
But you bring your own stuff to the party in a
I
sense.
improvised a little like on set or
Why
whatever.
lie? Improvise the whole thing. Why should we give TVF any credit?
बिल्कुल.
It's one and only Malika Dua. MD, I say. TVF. Please note, MD is in the house.
Yeah.
Give us a short idea of that.
So
The
TVF,
Girly Appa.
Girly Appa. So TVF had just come up with this channel called Girly Appa, and it's like a girly channel or whatever. And so they got in touch and they wanted to make this video. And I went to their office and it was so cool. Like that was my first experience with like famous people or whatever. I was really happy when I went there, and they said that this is the thing. They sent me the script, and I was like, yeah, let's do it, karte hain, whatever. And then luckily the girl who was with me,
And they had seen you on this Sarojini
yeah.
Nagar,
That's how they got in touch. And because their casting guy, I knew him, and so he got in touch. And I was in Bombay at that
And
point.
he's the guy whose wife actually sells lingerie and corrected him in bed and all that.
He's not married.
Damn it!
Yeah. So I was there in Bombay by chance, and then so they said, oh shit, you're here, chalo shoot karte. And what happened was then I changed my return ticket. I shot at Toddy Mill, and then I was done. And and then the girl who was shooting with me, Shrishti, both of us had really good chemistry. So we had a lot of fun shooting. No, like not that kind of chemistry, like that kind of chemistry.
I haven't said anything.
No, but you're making these shuckles, So
Although these shuckles are natural. At my age, the face keeps changing and twitching all the time.
That's true.
Oh.
So, and the video went off really well. Like
Millions of hits already.
Yeah.
And so this character is what now?
So this is...
You're making fun of those girls who think they're really hot.
No, we are the two friends who don't get hit on.
Oh, it's a
And
bit like
every-
goodness gracious me characters, yeah.
Yeah, so basically we are making fun of the token hot girl in our gang. But we're also like just making fun of everything in general. Like the thing is, a lot of people thought that, but you're inviting leering by this video and you're doing this. I said, I don't think
come
so.
on, huh?
Yeah, seriously. Matlab,
People have no life, no?
People don't know
This is worse than the
satire.
Bombay Delhi people.
Yeah, exactly.
What's wrong with them?
Yeah.
People are going to rape because of your video and all.
Yeah,
Come
I
on,
was like,
people are
really,
raping with that.
Stop doing it because of so much activism, but they'll start doing it because of one little sketch.
It's all your fault.
Yeah, it's all,
Women
it's
are
all
being
on me.
molested across North
Because
India
of
because
my
of that
video.
damn show of yours. Oh.
So, and I too really liked it. It was funny. And we were those two friends, you know. One is that hipster friend and one is this slightly healthy friend. And, you know, both of them never get hit on or whatever. And so they're surrounding this guy that, you know, how dare you stare at our friend like that? You know, and it starts with, it gives a hint that we're reprimanding him for looking at her. But what we're actually saying is,
Look
हमें
at
क्यों
us.
नहीं देखते हो?
Yeah, yeah.
हमें क्यों नहीं कोई stare करता, you know?
I'm the male version of that same character. If they ever want to do it the other way, I'm ready. Really.
So yeah, that's what we did, and people really liked it. And even now, you know, when you watch the videos and the views keep increasing, and that's what they remember more, obviously because of TVF's amazing reach. So I got really lucky there because it went on their channel, and you know their subscribers watched it, and so it went further.
And Sarojini Nagar went even further because of that. Because now people looking
Sarojini Nagar
searching
came
for you.
pehle. Yeah, so yeah,
No,
they
I'm
were
saying they
searching
go back
for
to
me.
find more, to search for you.
Exactly.
What are these Instagram characters like Makeup Didi, Komal, Shashi, Dadi? These are all your own characters.
Yeah, so you know Snapchat has those filters, no? So
Yeah.
You know na?
I'm very aware.
Yeah.
No, I do know. I do
No,
know.
you don't.
Where you change the face and all that.
Yeah.
No? Yeah.
So I would do a lot of nonsense like that on Snapchat, and then I started making characters out of that.
Right.
And then people liked
For
it.
fun?
Yeah, just for fun. I was like sitting in office, right after
Like most people in
meeting.
office who are supposed to be working, you weren't,
Yeah, I
and
was
you were,
making
doing your
Snapchat
thing.
videos.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Like you're doing right now.
Yeah, I mean, I got these crazy increments and all because of these videos.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
You let the ship run. Oh.
So yeah, that's what I was doing, and you know, I started making these characters, and one of them became a recurring character, Makeup Didi. Is this basically Makeup Didi's on the other side of the camera? You never see her,
Right.
But the character you see is a client
Who's
who
angry
is
with the makeup.
always upset and dissatisfied. मतलब उसको कुछ भी anything Makeup Didi does, she hates it. She just thinks it sucks, and she comes up with these outrageous looks that she wants. And this is actually true. Like obviously, it's not that bizarre in Delhi, but you go to parlors in Delhi, now you'll have these women around you making these really outlandish demands. कि भैया golden नहीं है, बाल थोड़े और करो. And you
I've
know,
heard words like white shed karo.
हाँ वाइट शेड करो,
amazing.
बड़ी डार्क सर्कल्स आ रहे हैं, मैं सोई नहीं ना, जगराते पे गई थी रात को, and you know they do shit like that. So I just like started saying those lines like off my head, and I would quickly edit them on iMovie, piece them together because it had to be 1 minute,
Correct.
and then I would upload them on Instagram. So yeah, and they started doing well because you know they would come jaldi, and
Komal.
so Komal is this really harami girl who looks very, very bhola. Okay, so basically it started with the Delhi Universe. Someone
All
said,
these seem to be all parts of your inner psyche
yeah,
also.
yeah,
huh?
completely.
It's not completely
I'm like
made up.
5 different people.
Yeah.
So someone said that why don't you do something on Delhi University chicks? So I said, Acha, let me do something. And so I made these 2 characters called Komal and Kanchan. They're frenemies.
God, this sounds so Delhi, you know. You really hit the names correctly.
Komal
Who
and
doesn't have a Komal
Kanchan?
Kanchan cousins in Delhi?
So these 2 girls, they're like frenemies. And you know, the first video was यार तेरा पेपर कैसा था, and Kanchan asked, and then Komal is this really sweet girl. She goes, यार मेरा so ही था, मतलब ऐसे ही था.
You play both?
Yeah, I play both. And so Komal is this sly woman, you know, who'll say मेरा exam बड़ा गंदा था, but then actually she'll top.
90%, yeah.
Yeah, and then Kanchan will say that also, Nagin Sali top करेगी अब DU में. And then so in this
And
series
yet
of,
they're best friends.
they're best friends, you know, and they have really weird conversations. Like Kanchan will be like, "Hi Komal, बड़ी cute लग रही, चल भुट्टा खिलाती हूँ तुझे." And then Kanchan starts eating bhutta in a very lewd way. So then, and Komal looks like a child. Okay, she's like these puffy cheeks and she's very cute. And suddenly she'll say like weird things. She's very foul mouthed, and and then we introduced Komal's boyfriend Shashi, and they also have a really all relationship. And yeah, so you should watch
Let's
those
hear
videos.
him.
So he says, Komal, do you love me? And so she says, yeah, sure, Shashi, Madhusya. So he says, Komal, सच बता, मैं बहुत ही सिंपल आदमी हूँ, मेरी बड़ी सिंपल लाइफ है. She says, yeah, sure, Shashi, Madhusya. कोमल देख, झूठ मत बोलियो, देख मैं तुझसे बहुत लव करता हूँ. Yeah, sure, Shashi, Madhusya. कोमल लव करती है ना मुझसे? Yeah, sure, Shashi, Madhusya. तो बाथरूम की लाइट जली है, बंद कर दे. Suck my dick, Shashi. And it just ends at that, okay? And it's really weird because if you're watching it, because she's this really cute girl, and कुछ भी बक देती है वो. And you should see, like, there's a series, and then I introduced a new character called Khushbu, who's Komal's younger sister, but she's sick of Komal, and she like goes to Kanchan Didi and starts bitching about Komal all the time. And she has these, like, she's very influenced. Like she'll say, अच्छा अब सही कह रहे हो, मैं उसका कमरा जला दूँ? Okay, मैं उसका कमरा जला देती हूँ. Like कुछ भी होता है. So basically,
So why don't you do all these things in like a half an hour stand-up? Do you do that?
I've been asked to, but
I
I'm
think you
really
should.
scared.
As long as you can remember them, but they're really funny.
I can remember them.
I think it'll work really well. And not just in Delhi.
So? I'm going to do it. I'm
Done,
gonna
I'll
do
produce it.
Yeah!
Why am I talking?
Cyrus is producing it.
Listen, Dad can do it, yaar. He'll do this much for his beta. Come on.
Bitia.
Okay, listen, Malika, you've been fantastic and you're very
Thank
funny,
you.
I must say. And I really love the, I don't want to sound patronizing because I'm an old man now, but comedians who just find that, that inner voice which is from their real lives.
Yeah.
Of people around you, growing up around you and all that. I think the 50% of the humor is just from that. Getting these Komal and Kanchan characters correct.
Completely,
these hypocritical friends. This is such a Delhi milieu. I just know it. I've spent enough time there. And the Shashi, this dumb boyfriend.
Shashi's amazing.
This male sexist pig bastard. I can see that.
Oh, love Kurta.
Yeah, superb. Yeah, with like 6 words in his entire life. In those 6 words, he lives and dies. So I think we should do a full. Please do a full show. I'll come. I'll buy a ticket. I'll pay money.
Yes,
It'll be great.
Done.
Excellent. All right, nice being here. Nice meeting you. But can you just stay for a few more minutes? We have an AMA section to test your general knowledge. How intelligent is a comedian?
Oh.
How good was Franklin and Marshall? Were they married? Do they have kids? All this and more.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Okay, EMA time with us, Malika. We have Amit Doshi who's going to ask us the questions. Amit?
I got a good... Okay, so here's the first question I got. This is actually pretty specific, and I think, Malika, you can just weigh in a little bit on it too.
Okay.
So basically, this is from Abhimanyu Sharma who sent us an email.
I'm a big fan.
Of Abhimanyu Sharma?
I don't know. I'm not clear about who he is. But
He is the guy who sent us an email.
Oh, he's the guy who sent the email. So he's not a writer per se. He wrote an email.
He's an experience.
All right, so yo, great work. Can enjoy all day, and he's, I'm glad to get this email, but it is SMS language.
Yo.
Yeah, but when you start with yo, you've got me.
Yeah.
I'm in your palm.
About dear, hi dear, likhoge then.
Yeah, and if a man SMSs you as a young lady, I'm sure. If a man says yo, Malika.
First is hey ma'am.
Hey ma'am.
There's a lot of hey ma'am.
Hey ma'am is for me now. That doesn't come for you anymore.
Okay. All right, ma'am. At start, maybe mums of Chotas try to keep them away from the dogs. So this is basically he's talking about
the dog thing.
About the dog thing that we spoke about in the Shakti Salgaonkar episode way back when, where you went off on the fact that people are trying to. You rant about people keeping their kids away from dogs.
No, my behavior, I have become atrocious now to animal haters.
Okay.
It's like racism now. I'm going to admit it because I spoke to my family about it. They said, you've got to, I'm getting physically aggressive and all, and I've got to stop it. But I just get irritated. The other day, a lady said, oh, I'm so scared of the cat. Can you move at the Bombay Gymkhana? Can you move the cat? And I was like, cat
will only run away.
No, I was thinking if I pick her up because she was the same size as the cat and throw her into the field, who'll know? It was 7:30 in the morning, and who'll really know?
I'll
let the cat be.
Yeah.
But so his
what's the question?
So his thing is. It's a long-winded email. So I am at Jaipur. I was at the Jaipur Central Park. I was at Jaipur Central Park. A mom left a 3-year-old less behind while chatting with his aunt. First one of the Central Park specs came and it tried to get that kid down. At the same time, 2 or 3 more came and joined the pack, trying to take down the small kid. At the time, I picked him up and literally kicked those dogs because they were trying to get me down. That lady was nowhere near at the time. However, the aunt. WS means I'm guessing was there, to whom I handed him over. Maybe this is why you get kids out of or off a dog, be a gentle pet.
He's answered the question himself.
You don't leave the kid.
Are we going to blame the dogs to exhibit pack mentality when they are chasing something? Okay, or are we? Who's going to leave a 3-year-old abandoned and then blame the dogs, the trees, nature itself, or me?
No, so he's making a point that we have a stray dog problem, and that stray dog problem does lead to a certain amount of aggression, and that leads to a certain fear.
Pack mentality, whether humans or any animals, can lead to a certain amount of aggression, no doubt about that.
Right.
But yet, I have to tell you, because of this Kerala issue in the background, I have fed dogs personally all across India.
Right.
Or including aggressive dogs in packs. It's all about body language. Human beings have to understand how to behave also. We have to understand that you have to show a certain amount of ability not to show fear in situations like this. Because with any animal who's wild or stray, if you show fear, you're asking for trouble. This is simple knowledge that everybody has. Having said that, no one denies that in this kind of situation, obviously the human life is more important. Right. And you've got to try and save the child and do the right thing and whatever. But I do believe that many of these stories are not as factually told as they should be. For example, a dog chasing somebody doesn't mean the person is going to die. Dogs is exhibiting, chasing behavior.
Right.
But the person overreacts, cries, screams, falls on the floor. People see it. They see children around. Before you know, they start stoning the dog. Actually, I've been in many situations like this where I've stopped the dog very quickly, very efficiently. It's not that much of a problem. But people just go into this panic mode, and then before you know it, the animal has no chance.
Yeah, no, I don't disagree with
Having
you.
said that, we have prejudices, and obviously we come from one side and some people come from another side of the argument.
Right.
But, what about the letter here is all about the mother who let the child.
Well, that's the problem
I
here,
hope she keeps the dog as a pet now. Because it's not going to be long before she leaves the child in another park.
Yeah.
Malika, do you have anything to say? You dog lover?
Yeah. So I like small dogs.
You're racist.
I'm
You're
racist.
Selective lover.
I'm a very
You like
racist.
pugs, but you don't like big dogs.
Exactly.
What about men? You like small men?
No, I like tall men.
Tall men with small dogs.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got it. I'm doing the play with you.
No, so what I feel is that while I agree that this paranoia and this scared behavior and then they literally sniff it off you, but there have been instances where even domesticated like dogs or whatever, like this happened to my dad once. There was this pointer, okay, our neighbors Niche had one pointer.
So in Delhi they have these exotic breeds like pointers. You'll rarely find them in Bombay.
and
Just
so
carry on the argument.
My dad was wearing 3 layers and this dog just pounced on him one night. There was nothing. वो बस घर आ रहे थे and this happened.
But I'm saying the fault is not the dog, it's the person who owns the dog.
I
If the dog is
agree with
aggressive
you.
and showing aggressive behavior,
So
they are responsible.
What I feel is that what they did with this dog was that they realized that he had a lot of energy that needed to be released. He was not the kind of dog you keep
Pointers
in your
have
little
to
garden.
run 40 kilometers a day.
Exactly. So उसको farm पे भेजा. And so that is the
But
real
you should have sent the
problem.
owners to the farm also for being idiots.
No. But so the dog was sent there. However, I'm scared of German Shepherds. I'm not going to lie to you. If I go to a house and I see German Shepherds,
We
I'll
are
be
German
like, can
Shepherd
you please?
family. You can never come home now. What are you saying?
That's really sad.
This is a wrong. See, this is like racism. It's like I had a bad instance with an African American man, and I think all black
then
people
all
are
of them are
dangerous.
bad.
That's really bad.
No.
There's no better dog than the German Shepherd. He's
I
the
know,
most family
I
of all
know.
dogs.
But it's like
But
I'm
you've got
scared.
this. See,
Yeah,
so
I'm
that's
scared.
sad. So
But
all
I'm scared
trying
of
to-
cockroaches
so
also.
that's why
Yeah.
my point is to stop the prejudices against dogs in general, which middle class India has. So the
Yeah.
mother will pull the child, and the child is ingrained, imprinted with that information.
that's
and
tough.
that's the sad part.
Like people who have dogs, they'll never stop their little kids from just
Yes,
playing
see my
with
daughter
them.
feeding strays, putting a hand in the
Yeah.
mouth, knowing how to approach a dog, everything. It's all about
And
how
if
the
you give
parents
them
have
that
brought the child
love,
up.
then the dog will never ever
And
do
my daughter
anything
will
like
never
you.
pat a human because I don't touch people. You see the difference in our house. We're very clear. You go for animals, you check it out. There's certain body language. You
Yeah.
understand how to behave, but not with human beings. I've told her
So
never.
this stoning dogs, and that is disgusting.
And,
That
throwing
is
them from a
so-
thing,
Yeah.
and please understand when you say culling, whether you're culling Nilgais, you're
Yeah.
culling dogs, pigs, anything. You please understand how barbaric that is.
you know, that is
you're
our
just killing
mentality,
animals
right?
left, right, and center. No, but it's
No, it's not cool. And we
kind of
do this.
solution is that?
We other than other person also. Like even if we have a human being who's a little different from the rest of us,
That's what's gonna happen.
The first thing we will do is ostracize them.
That's
and
the
say,
good part.
"ये अजीब से बात नहीं करनी."
That's
or
the good
whatever.
part. If they cull human beings, I'm okay. But
Yeah.
we
But
have to stop
it's a
somewhere.
problem. Like we need to be more accepting.
I'm
and
very scared of this
little
culling
chilled
business
out.
that they have, whether it's for
Yeah.
birds or whatever, under the guise of health, this, that, and the
Like
other.
every day you see कि एक dog होगा, he won't do anything. He's minding his business. Some idiot will come and hit him with a stick or
Kick
say
him
कि
for no
हट
reason.
जा.
Yeah.
Why?
So I agree, dogs should not be,
Yeah.
the cruelty should not be there, but culling mosquitoes, I have no problem with.
No, I think even with insects, you be a little careful. We're playing God too often. I'm a
Someone
little
needs
upset
to
about it.
eradicate
Dude,
cockroaches from this world. I will die. My death will be because of a cockroach.
We can't do that. We have to learn to live in peace.
Did I ever tell you about the time I got into a car accident because of a cockroach?
I can imagine that.
You were driving a cockroach?
I was underage and I was driving my car and
My
a
cockroach.
cockroach flew on the windshield and I banged into a wall.
Are you kidding me?
I was 16 years old at
So
the
now
You
time.
survived that accident?
Yeah, it
Now
wasn't
you have
that
to blame
fast.
the BMC who weren't cleaning the area, not the cockroach. The cockroach
This was
not to be
our
blamed.
area only. This was
But
right
then
under-
it could have been a cat also. Now, if the cat was on my windscreen, I wouldn't have died.
Are you've not understood
But
the
it was a
problem.
cockroach.
Please understand, Malika, the problem is not that. Problem is there a cockroach in Malba Hill? Please tell us.
There was
This
a
is
big
terrible news.
flying
cockroaches
cockroach.
everywhere.
Big flying cockroach right on the Kamdenu lane. As soon as I was going up, the
Yeah.
cockroach flew on me and I went
You
right
sure it was
into the wall.
a cockroach, not Mrs. Parekh?
I couldn't tell the difference. All right. The next question is from our old friend, Briefless Attorney.
Yeah.
Cyrus, what were you all thinking when you acted in the Indian spin-off of Friends?
Did we answer that? But we can answer it again.
Did we answer that
Yeah,
It
we
was
before?
did.
called Hello Friends.
Hello, Friends.
I'm not that young.
And you
also.
yet came for the interview?
Yeah. Can you imagine? Yeah.
I cannot
And I
believe
was, hello, friends.
Komal and Kanchan,
Almost the
you
same
get the
also.
prize, the gallantry award.
See,
Showing
So I guess if we answer that, let's go to another question.
What were
this
you
one, yeah, what were you?
I was thinking Ajit Pal's pants are too tight. Director.
Okay, so Cyrus, you got 6 Twitter handles. That's more.
I have 6.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like they're not yours, but I mean, like they're all the fake ones.
Oh, by the way, my WhatsApp's not working for the last 1 week. I want to tell you. It expired. I have to go to the store, and I don't know the idea.
No, there's nothing to do. It's just straight.
But I forgot this thing.
The Apple password you forgot.
Yeah. Do you remember it? Or do we ask Kunal again?
We should have to ask.
You have people for your passwords also.
Huh?
You have people to remember your passwords also.
I have to give my clothes back.
He did not have a cell phone a year and a half ago.
No, 41 I got a cell phone. I'm 45 now.
Oh, okay.
Really?
3.5 years ago I got it.
That's really cool, yeah. That's actually good.
No, I got it only because of the bloody kids.
Yeah.
When the parents were picking and dropping, the parents told my wife, what do you mean he doesn't have a phone? How do I send the son down? And she did. I had to keep borrowing my mother's phone and all that. And my mother said, I'm not giving the phone. I'm going to club. I'm going to club for walk. I'm going to club for walk, so I need my phone now for the walk.
Yeah.
So it's basically a happy Navroz message and says you have 6 Twitter handles, which are all your fake ones. The real ones are Board Brocha and Cyrus Says In. The rest of them are all fake.
Yeah, that's true. That's true as far as I know. Yeah. Because handles are like boobs. You never know.
You never know which one is.
Komal, Kanchan, hai ki nahi?
I'm always real. Everything is original.
And Komal?
Komal is natural.
She's natural?
She's blessed by Jai Mata Di and by the Lord above.
Wow. Yeah, see, he's not a Delhi guy. He's laughing. He's never dated Komal or Kanchan.
Yeah.
Oh. Yay! All right, Malika, we'll see you on stage soon.
Yes, we will.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, catch us on iTunes, SoundCloud, Stitcher, Beyond Pod, any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. If you have any questions, write to us online and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called me.
And that's what Cyrus says.
And presenting the IVM Likes, where the IVM staff sit down, hold hands and meditate. Then remove their clothes and discuss pop culture, things they like and dislike. All this because life is important, especially when you're lonely. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Also, you can find them on SoundCloud, iTunes, Stitcher, etc. Not etc., but etc. Happy listening, mother and fathers.
Excuse me, भैया. Excuse me.
बोलिए मैडम.
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑन कोर्स है, साइरस सेज है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्वियर है, थिंग्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है और द फैन गराज है. आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम. आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप. सब आपकी उंगलियों पे.